Hello everyone, it's Nikita from Atikin Games here. In cooperation with Hero Time, we are creating this short video series to explain how to get going with Kickstarter. Now we come to building your Kickstarter story. This is the main part of your project and where most of your campaign information will go. What should the story look like? For this video, I'll take you through a project I ran at the end of 2020 called Mini Memory Mischief. I always make sure there are clear headings throughout my campaigns so that backers can easily scroll through and find the information they want. Most people won't read through your entire campaign. They might want to quickly see if you ship to their country, what the reviews are like, or anything else that's important to them. By now, I stick to mostly the same sections each time and roughly the same order. I also try to make the campaign page match the theme of each game. For Mini Memory Mischief, that meant pixel graphics and circuit boards throughout. Start with an overview of the project itself. Try to give a good overview of your game with a link to the full rulebook so those interested can read more. You'll see that I also dot reviewer quotes throughout my campaign. What's in the tin, or probably box for most games, is nice for backers to see what they're getting with your game. Rewards, add-on items, reviews, shipping. Try to include all relevant shipping information here. Stretch goals. About Atikin Games, or you. Sometimes backers want to know a little more about you, so this is a nice section to include. Feel free to use a similar style or something completely different, but this is a good starting point for the information you'll want to have available for your backers. How do I use the editor? The Kickstarter editor itself is very easy to use. It resembles a lot of other online editors that you've probably used. It's quick to add photos, GIFs, videos, links, and audio. The only downside is that Kickstarter adds extra spaces between words at times. I've never worked out why this happens. So be aware of that. I always export to a text editor to find and remove those spaces before going live. What are risks and challenges? At the bottom of the page, you'll find the Risks and Challenges section. These are important to show that you care about your project and have thought out the risks and challenges that you face as a creator and publisher. This might just be accepting that you're a first-time creator and have a lot to learn. Sometimes there are shipping concerns. Try to be thoughtful and honest here. What are environmental commitments? Here you see the environmental commitments for your project. You can include anything you're doing with your project to reduce its impact on the planet, including long-lasting design, sustainable materials and fulfillment, and many other sections you see here. Kickstarter is more likely to feature your project if you've put some effort into this section. See you next time!